think we are recording. This is take 2 on this. If you've pulled up the notes for our first lesson in probability, you probably notice that there are some group activities, things that we would have done together if we were covering this unit in class. So what I thought I would try to do instead is demonstrate how these activities are supposed to look, and then if you want to and you have the time and the ability, you can carry them out at home, and maybe we can find a way to pool our results together as a class and just kind of figure out what this would look like doing it virtually instead of together in a classroom. So the first activity says that you're given an index card. Your group is going to be given some kind of index card. And it says to fold it slightly off center. Now really all that means is don't fold it straight down the middle. It doesn't tell you how you have to fold it. It tells you how not to fold it. So you're not going to fold it straight down the middle like this, or straight down the middle like this. You can fold it off center, meaning maybe put a fold right here, but I've had some groups fold them in really unconventional ways. So folding them on a diagonal, folding it in multiple places, because all the directions really say is fold it off center. So for the sake of simplicity, I'm going to fold mine right here. So it's off center. Okay, but you're welcome to fold yours however you want. First question is, when you drop the card, what are all the possible outcomes? So if I were to put the card up here and drop it, okay, it landed like that. So that's obviously one outcome. So the first thing you're expected to do with your group before you conduct any experiment is to think of all the ways it could land. So for this particular fold, it could land like this, it could land like this, it could land like this, and it could land like this. And as you're writing them down in your group, I would encourage you to have a name for each one. So you could say like the large face, the small face, the edge, and maybe tent. Okay, so you would come up with some words to describe that. Second question, which outcome or outcomes do you think are the most likely? So if I were to drop this, what's the most likely way that you think the card would fall? Then you're supposed to conduct an experiment. So from a standing height, drop the card at least on your floor at least 10 times and record what outcome you get. And then the last question there is, were your predictions correct? Did you correctly predict how you thought your card would fall? And so if we were doing this lesson in class, this would be the first activity we would do together, and we would use that to generate some of the vocabulary that you see coming up next in your notes, such as sample space, equally likely outcomes, theoretical probability, and so forth. So take a moment, if you've got a small piece of paper, index card, actually carry the activity out, and then send me your results if you have them. Make a video of it, or just let me know how it came out for you.